Welcome to our comparison of the EUHOMY and DUMOS ice makers. In this video, we'll explore the features of these two countertop ice machines, including their portability, self-cleaning functions, and ice production capabilities. Whether you're looking for an ice maker for your home, kitchen, or outdoor adventures, we've got you covered. Both the EUHOMY and DUMOS ice makers boast impressive ice production speeds, capable of producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who need ice quickly for parties or gatherings. However, while both machines offer the same speed, the EUHOMY has a slightly higher daily production capacity of 26.5 pounds, compared to DUMOS's 26 pounds in 24 hours, making it a better option for heavy users. Both ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning functions, which is a significant advantage for users looking for convenience. The EUHOMY features an auto-cleaning option, while the DUMOS also emphasizes its self-cleaning capability. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures that the machines maintain hygiene, making them ideal for regular use. When it comes to portability, both the EUHOMY and DUMOS ice makers are designed for easy transport. The EUHOMY features a convenient carry handle, making it easy to take along on camping trips or to parties. Similarly, the DUMOS is compact and also includes a handle, allowing for effortless mobility. This makes both products excellent choices for users who need an ice maker that can be easily moved. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and DUMOS ice makers offer fantastic features for anyone in need of a portable ice solution. With similar ice production speeds and self-cleaning capabilities, your choice may ultimately depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.